Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Order of operations.
What does the dictionary say?
To give an order, direction, or command to.
Math rap.
Math has specific rules, so learn this lesson. The order of operations of a calculation, expression, brackets, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, then add and subtract, all left to right.
Math rap.
What does a busy surgeon have to remember? Order of operations. Get your thoughts in order. Explain order in your own words. Solve this order of operations challenge. Brackets 4 times 3 plus brackets 9 minus 4 equals... Choose 6 students. Place a paper with one of the letters that represent each letter in the PEDMAS or BEDMAS order of operations face down on their desks. At the command, "Get in order!" have the 6 students turn their letters over, head to the front of the class, and get in order. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!